Do you guys think that Olight should make a full-size version of their blue laser? The full-size Olight has the laser light, and just light feature, and best of all, that strobe light though. But then you get to about the rest, and it has the laser light, and just light. But guess what? Ain't no strobe. I can't use no strobe. I also just personally think it'll make my Glock 22 just look harder. Like, be for real.